We need a glass jar, elastic band, and cheesecloth and a deep tray. Uh, Wash the seeds nicely and soak them for 12 hours in water and put it in the jar. Then we are going to take the muslin cloth and close the mouth with it and put the elastic band on top of it so that it is secured. And then we are going to keep it slanting in the tray like this. This is day 2, and leave it on your kitchen island. Every day from then, you'll be washing it in cold water, draining the water nicely, and then you'll be keeping it in the same way how we left on day 2, the same way. And this is going to be a process every day morning. And this is day 3. It has grown this much, and I yielded on day 5 almost 6.5 cups of fenugreek seeds from just 1/4 cup of it. Hope you like the process and you can try experiment with different seeds. If you are confused or stuck with something, you want any help, please DM me and I'll be very happy to help you.